If your big V8 engine suddenly feels like it is struggling to get up a hill, or you notice a weird vibration while cruising on the highway, you might be dealing with a P3447 code. This one is all about cylinder 6 and its exhaust valve control circuit. Many modern engines use a clever trick called cylinder deactivation to save fuel, where they basically turn off 4 of the cylinders when you are just cruising along. It does this by using special solenoids and oil pressure to stop the exhaust valves from opening. This specific code pops up when the engine control module, or the EECM, detects that the voltage or resistance in the circuit for cylinder 6's exhaust valve is too low. One of the most common reasons for this isn't even an electrical part. It is actually low or dirty engine oil. These systems rely on oil pressure to move the mechanical parts inside the lifters. So if your oil is low or the passages are clogged with gunk, the system fails and the computer gets confused. Before you start tearing into the engine to replace a variable valve timing solenoid, check your dipstick. If the oil is clean and full, then it is time to look at the wiring. These solenoids sit in a harsh, hot environment near the exhaust manifold, which makes the wires and connectors prone to getting brittle, melting, or corroding over time. You will want to do a thorough visual check for any bare wires or burnt spots. If the wiring looks good, use your digital multimeter to check for continuity. A good circuit should show 0 ohms of resistance when the power is off. If you see high resistance or no continuity at all, you have found a break in the line that needs to be repaired. Sometimes the computer will even shut off the fuel injector to that cylinder to protect the engine, which is why your car might feel like it is misfiring badly. The EACM usually limits this cylinder deactivation to a cycle of 10 minutes in V4 mode, before switching back to V8 for 1 minute. Do not make the mistake of just throwing a new solenoid at it without checking the oil and the wiring first, as that is where the real problem usually hides in these systems.